Dumelang le kae re teng. Welcome back to my channel. I finally came back after I last recorded when? Sure, it's been a while. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. My name is Mukhumudzi Mdluli. Welcome to the family. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe. I hope you bring more family members to join us. To my returning supporters, thank you so much, all 94 of you. I'm on a road to 100 subscribers, so if you can please share my videos with family, friends, or on your other social media platforms so that my page can reach more people. So yeah, I would really appreciate it. So it's just after work. Yo, it is so cold. Kuyabanda. In the morning there was snow in Joburg. It was cold. It's still cold, so yeah. So welcome back. Currently there's load shedding, so I wanted to prepare something wholesome, so it means I'll have to prepare something quick when load shedding comes back, because it's going to be back at around 6. Yeah, and my plan today was actually to go to Pep. I'm looking for some homeware and some ornaments. Yeah, as I was saying, guys, I wanted to go to Pep Home to get some homeware stuff and ornaments. But guys, I'll probably do that maybe in my next vlog, or if I find time this week or tomorrow. I'll see how the weather is. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Please show some love in the comment section. Yeah, please enjoy the vlog. Let's see what it has in store for us.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the continuation of this vlog. I'm not sure. The last time I picked up a camera was on Monday, and yeah, I must say it's really difficult to it's difficult to vlog during the week, especially if I come back from work. It's challenging. So today's a Friday. Welcome. Yeah, let's see where this vlog takes us. I'm just gonna prepare my face. I just got to work. I don't know why I always do this. Yeah, I'm just gonna make myself look decent.
lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
Hi there, family. Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Saturday and I just decided, let me open today's vlog. Yeah, like I said, it's a Saturday and we've been invited to a birthday party, so we are heading out to the birthday party. How do I look? Injan sihle yangichomela akafuna ukungithatha ithombe, and yazini, but it's fine, it's okay. I will try to show you what I'm wearing today, outfit of the day. If I don't forget, I'll see if I'll be able to vlog. If not, you'll just see all the pictures. So yeah, and yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, share the video. Throw in some hearts there by the comment section, just to let me know that you've been watching and you are supporting the girl, you know. So yeah, I would highly appreciate it if you share the video. Yeah, I just wanted to remind you.
I've been missing the way you touch me, baby. Kisses on my neck and the love you gave me.
Vlog yami ngitsamayele muthwaka siyazikhipha. Don't mind Tuku, guys. I'm just kibatla meriri e be flatnyana, meriri ya dragon seat re tla re. So yeah, sisendleleni, we on our way, and yeah, now
You sent me, trying to fill the holes where you left me empty. And When I think about it, get a little emotional, knowing that we might never ever be close to loving. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Sober up, think it's time for me to sober up, 'cause I don't know what I should do with all these feelings. Don't wanna be needy, too in love. Maybe I am just too in love. Baby, all I know is I can't make you stay, but don't just walk away. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend.
Hi guys, I wanna add some stuff on this, I don't know what you call it, but this thing on the wall. I feel like it's missing some items, so I just want to decorate this quickly with you guys. I only have like, I think 2 items to add. I was hoping to add another frame for Yagasikh, but I don't know if it will fit here. Yeah, so let's see. So I added Sikle's picture there. I don't know how it looks. Yeah, then I'm gonna add a candle or a candle and a vase there. But Khushota something here. I don't know what's, but yeah. And then so this is how it looks, guys. I think there by Sakile's picture I need to add something. I don't know what. Please don't mind Sihle's picture. I'll get a recent photo of him. So yeah, this is how it looks. At least khonale life inyana. Latlala pelo mo if you think it's fine, or add a comment if you think I must add something. Okay guys, in the next vlog I'm gonna try to decorate this storage unit. It practically has nothing on it, just one picture and that ornament that you see. So in the next vlog, when I have items for this, I will do it with you guys. Hi guys, I'm gonna close off the vlog now. Thank you so much for tuning in up until the end of the video. If you've been watching till the end, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. We are on the road to 100 subscribers. Please share the video. I would highly appreciate it. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.